We want to welcome you to the Lee College Horticulture Program. We are affiliated with the Heartwood chapter. We are also, the Heartwood chapter is part of the Texas AgriLife Extension Office, also partnered with the Texas Parks and Wildlife Department. We have partnered up with the Texas Master Naturalists to be part of a water willow project that's also partnering with Lake Livingston.
The goal of that project is to introduce water willows into the lake to help filter the water to create habitat for fish. Lake Livingston is actually the primary water source for the city of Houston. The cleanliness of the water, the healthiness of the ecosystem is very important to the community.
So what we did, we dove on board to propagate and grow this, the American water willow. And the American water willow, we found out is a very hardy plant. They sent us 5 parent plants from the lake, and we began taking cuttings and propagating them in trays, grow cells. Eventually, as the plants grew, we hardened them off outside for 2 weeks. And once they get about 6 to 8 inches tall, we bring them up here and put them in the water, and then they just take off. Lake Livingston Friends of Reservoirs sent all the material over, all of the wood, the liners.
We ended up establishing a formal partnership where the Ellis unit actually became a key component of the whole Lake Livingston Friends of Reservoir project. That being, they became the research group for the project. They've come up with new methods for planting, new fertilization methods. We've donated 7 tanks. The guys are growing water willows at a rate much faster than we ever have before. And at the end of the day, they become a critical part of our conservation project for Lake Livingston.
So this program started off as just, hey, let's grow some plants, just volunteer, but it's turned into something more. Most of these guys are in here for horticulture, and we usually teach mainly landscaping, greenhouses, but adding this Texas Master Naturalist to the program is just a whole different atmosphere to horticulture.
A Master Naturalist, that is someone, he's developed a mindset to care about the environment, to care about the ecosystems, learning how to take care of the native environments, the natural environments, and to give back.
The horticulture and the Texas Master Naturalist program, they go hand in hand together, are the best thing that's happened to me in 28 years. The things that I've learned in 6 months are amazing.
First of all, I've learned to appreciate life in general, from the smallest to the greatest. With Texas Master Naturalist program and horticulture in general, I've learned to understand and to appreciate life. If I can care that much for a small plant, I can care that much more for humanity in general.
The watershed affects plant, animal, and human communities, and I'm affecting change. I can take part in that here is an honor.